Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C615 firmware update. This is the floodlight camera from Tapo. Here I have the camera already working on my cell phone using the Tapo app. And then I can just come here to the Tapo C615F and go to the settings. And here I see the menu, right? So I want to have an extra feature here that's a 24/7 recording or the continuous recording, but the continuous recording is not available here. If I come here to the storage and recordings and then recording schedule, you see there's no continuous recording. Depending on the camera, you're gonna see the option here, but it's not available for battery powered cameras like this one. So perhaps with the new firmware, you're gonna see a new menu here for the 24/7 recording, which is like a time-lapse recording, okay? So to update the firmware, you just need to come here to the main menu and go all the way down, and here you're gonna see firmware update. In this case, I have this red dot, which represents a firmware update available. So I just need to come here. Right now I have 1.1.3, and then it's checking for update. And now I have 1.2.6, and here's the modification. Some modifications, right? Bug fixes as well. So 1, improved accuracy of video timestamps. 2, optimized connection stability. And 3, enhanced device stability. It doesn't say anything about new recordings or 24/7 recordings, but let me just update the camera here and see how it works. Perhaps you just need to do a firmware update and then later you need to do a second one. Or it's just going to show the new feature here, even though it's not written here yet, right? So now the camera is flashing. You see here it's flashing the LED pretty fast, which means the camera is updating. And now I just need to wait for it to finish. So as you can see now, the camera just finished the update and the LED changes from green to red. So it's flashing red. And now it's flashing again one more time. So it's still doing the update. There we go. One more time red. And basically it's just a waiting game. You just need to wait for it to finish. And the camera is going to go back to normal. So the camera keeps alternating between flashing green and flashing red. It's basically the firmware being written into the camera's chip. And you just need to wait until it does everything. There we go. After finishing the update, you see the LED is now a steady green one. And here on the cell phone, you see the information about the update. It's finished. And you have an option to check for update again, right? That I don't have any new updates. Then I can just come here to the settings and check if I have new features. In this case, I have a 24/7 capture. So it's a new feature here that I can just set up and make work with 24/7 recording, which means the time-lapse recording, okay? Basically now I have a new feature here after the update. So that's the way you can update the firmware on a Tapo C615 or the floodlight camera from TP-Link. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.